Hello, my angels. Today I'm partnering with QVC to bring you a night of intention, self-love, and romance. I think it's super important to show yourself the love that you might crave or give to other people. So I'm going to show you how to have a date night featuring just you. I'm super excited for this video. I have a few activities planned that I love to do. Always keep in mind to cater everything to yourself, because what looks like self-love and self-care to me might look a little different for you. I'm heading out to run a few errands, so I'm just gonna get ready very quickly. I'm just doing a light face of makeup and refreshing my hair. Before I leave, I'm filling up my water and packing my bag, and I'm going to spend some time at the park watching the sun go down. I love seeing the sunset, and I never really see it anymore, so I decided to give myself the privilege of going and laying down and watching the sunset. While I'm at the park, I'm going to get a little bit of work done on my iPad, but mostly I'm going to do nothing because this is a date night and you really shouldn't be working on a date night. Also, while I was laying here, a dog ran up to me, and I'm not scared of dogs, but this one scared me because it was soaking wet and I thought it was going to try to touch me. So whatever, but the dog was super cute and really sweet. And yeah, these are things you just don't experience if you're in your house. So go outside sometimes and just lay in the grass. Use your free will to your advantage. Later on tonight, I'm going to make a vision board. So before I do that, I went to Goodwill to see if they had any canvases that I could use. If you don't already have a canvas, Goodwill is a great place to look. But I forgot that I have a bunch of frames that I recently got at my house, so I didn't end up getting any, but I did shop around and I found an Awala for $2.99. I'm gonna clean it like 5 times, but it's so cute, and I love for my gym accessories to be pink, so I thought this would be perfect. And unfortunately, they didn't have any magazines. I was gonna try to find magazines to get pictures from, but I realized I also had magazines at my house as well. So this was honestly a waste of a trip, but I did find some cute lounging around the house items. And I've recently been obsessed with thrifting, so I cannot go in a Goodwill and leave with nothing. And guys, this was so crazy, but when I got back to my car, I saw this cat and I was like, hey, come here. And then 4 more cats came to the window, and I hope this person is moving and they don't live in the car with all the cats, because that would be really sad. But they're so cute and they have little collars. Next, we're headed to the grocery store so I can pick up some ingredients I didn't have for my dessert. We are making a sweet treat later, and I last minute decided what I wanted to make, so that's why we're doing a little store run. I also picked up some flowers. They didn't have much of a selection because I saw someone in the store earlier and they had an entire cart full of flowers. So I think they just went through and got everything that they could. So there really wasn't much for me to choose from, but I just got some roses and some greenery to make a bouquet later. We're back home, and I just wanted to show you guys a couple of the things I got from Goodwill. I got this cute robe with some feathers on it. I don't have any robes like this. All of mine are very cozy, so I thought that would be really cute if I wanted to have another night like this and take pictures in my house. And I also got this cute Y2K little sleep dress. I'm probably gonna just wear it to sleep, or I can wear it in the summer or layer it like this, but I just thought it was so cute. And if you're not new to my channel, then you know I love flowers, and I used to make it a thing to get myself flowers and make my own bouquet, but I haven't done that in a while, so I thought I would just add it to this video to bring my spirits up and bring some life into the home. Next, I'm gonna prepare for my shower by taking my outside clothes off, putting on my robe, and lighting a few candles to set the mood. Candles make everything romantic, so sometimes I take out all the candles I have and light them. It does give me a headache, but it just makes everything feel so much more luxurious, and it's a little special thing that I do for myself. I'm gonna put my hair up before getting in the shower, and before I get in, I want to introduce you guys to today's sponsor, which is QVC. QVC is the ultimate destination for trusted beauty brands, exclusive deals, and limited time finds you won't get anywhere else. I found some really good products to help me feel extra special for tonight. I picked up this 3-piece set of the Philosophy Kiss Me Tonight lip mask, and they even carry Tatcha, which has amazing skincare products. I love this rice face wash. It makes my skin feel soft and rejuvenated. If you're not picking up any of these products for yourself, these sets are perfect if you're hosting a Galentine's or you want to make your loved ones feel a little extra special. In the shower, I'm using the Philosophy 4-piece shower gel in the scent Fresh Cream. This smells so good, sweet, feminine, and luxurious, and this is like my perfect scent if I think about feeling girly and soft, and I love it. Some of these products might sell out, so shop my link below or head to qvc.com, and thank you so much QVC for sponsoring today's video. Something I've always loved to do is taking showers in the dark, and luckily the house we're in right now has a nightlight in the bathroom, so I just turn that on and it makes my shower so romantic and calm, relaxing, and I love it so much. And especially with this Philosophy body wash, it truly smells so amazing. It's the perfect cozy sweet vanilla scent, so this was very relaxing and I thoroughly enjoyed it. So this is like a mini version of an everything shower. I'm just washing my body, exfoliating, and shaving, and that's gonna be it for tonight's everything shower. Once I'm out of the shower, I'm gonna moisturize my body using my more expensive body oil and lotion. I know you guys have like your expensive lotion for special occasions and your regular lotion, and tonight we're using the expensive one because this is a special night that we're making for ourselves. So I'm just applying it so I can get a nice body glow. I feel like that always makes me feel instantly healthy looking, and it makes me feel so pretty and gorgeous. So don't forget to moisturize, ladies. It's truly an experience. I know it takes a long time, but it makes a huge difference in how your skin looks. After moisturizing my body, I'm going in with the Tatcha face wash and washing my face. I already knew I was going to love this product when it had rice in the title. I've been using a Korean Skin rice toner, and it just makes my skin feel and look so smooth and soft. So definitely recommend that. And I'm going under my eyes with the Tatcha skin serum and applying it to the high points of my face as well, just to give that glow from within. Next is my favorite part. I'm so excited. I'm going to be applying some glam and taking pictures. I don't know if you guys are familiar with my channel, but if you are, then you know I do struggle a little bit with mental health, and I feel like I haven't had a good night alone, like doing my makeup, feeling pretty, dancing around the house, taking pictures. And for me, I think that's really a healing activity. Just getting cute for myself, not going out, not putting any pressure on anything, just practicing my makeup and taking pictures, not even to post them, but just to feel cute. This is something that I thoroughly enjoy, and I used to do it all the time, and I feel like maybe that's what's missing from my life. So like I said, this video is about romancing yourself, and usually, you know, we would put our makeup on to go on a date or go out with someone else, but tonight is just about us and looking and feeling beautiful for ourselves. So sometimes I question what self-love actually looks like, and I think it looks exactly how you would want someone else to give you love. So that's just being intentional with yourself, being intentional with your practices, not just going through life, never treating yourself, and reminding you that you're that girl, you're beautiful. And I do think that even though this is something so simple and maybe a little silly, I always feel so much better and rejuvenated after just having one night to myself just to get dolled up and do absolutely nothing. After putting on my makeup and doing my hair, I forgot that I had this adorable nightgown. And so I just put that on with some thigh-high socks and I'm going to take pictures. And I saw this idea on Pinterest. And so I am just copying the girl who did this. But this is such a cute way to take pictures. I'm not going to be posting these because you guys know I never post on Instagram, but maybe I will. I don't know. But it was just so fun. I actually got really distracted while I was doing this and forgot that I was filming and ended up taking those pictures for a minute. But I really enjoyed it and it made my confidence go up, and that's why I say even if something feels silly, just do it because you never know what might make you feel good. So after that, I'm going to make a little sweet treat. I'm not a big like dessert person, but since Valentine's Day is coming up, I thought it would be perfect to make these heart-shaped ramekin cookies. And yeah, I was trying to give Nara Smith, but I realized I don't have the coordination. And I was spilling everything. I forgot to mix my wet ingredients together before adding them, so I had to step away and put some elbow grease into this. But I'm just placing the cookie dough in the hearts. These are so cute. I got them last year for Valentine's Day, and I was gonna gift them to my friends if we did Galentine's, but I don't think we did that last year. So I ended up just keeping all of them, and I'm so glad I did because they're so adorable, and this is my first time using them. The recipe I'm using is on TikTok, so I will put it in the description if you guys are interested. But I believe it was just 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, depending on how like doughy you want it in the middle. And I'm just popping them in the oven, and I'm going to come back to check on them when they're ready. And guys, look how perfect and beautiful this is, and listen to how this sounds. Like, I don't know what it is, but completing things like this and actually doing it right makes me feel so amazing. I'm like, am I a baker? No, but like I can add it to the list of things I know how to do. Like, that's what I'm saying. Even if this seems like a silly little nighttime routine video, just doing small things that you don't normally do on a daily basis helps to give you this certain sense of confidence, and I think that adds to your self-love. So it's really important to try new things. Next, I saw this idea online, but I'm writing myself a love letter. I thought this was so cute because I'm a hopeless romantic, and if I'm dating someone, I'll have notes just about how I feel about them, but I realized I never wrote myself a love letter, and I think that is doing myself a huge disservice. This is something you can look back on and remind yourself what's great about you and that there are things to love about you, and if no one else does, then you know that you love yourself. Next, I'm making a vision board because I haven't done that yet for this year. So instead of spending money to print out a bunch of curated pictures, I'm just flipping through the magazines I have and cutting out words and pictures that resonate with me or that I think are just visibly pleasing. And you can also cut separate letters to make words spell out, and I think that's such a cute idea. And I'm going to be putting this in a canvas and a frame just to keep it up and remind myself of some of my goals and priorities for this year. I did only have Vogue magazine, so most of it is just like pretty pictures and clothes and stuff, but that's fine. This is just going to be a really gorgeous year. And so now I'm going to put, well, this is like right before it's done, but I had a few more words to put on the canvas. So I'm just going to be taping the words on here. I did use tape for everything. You can use glue or whatever you prefer, but tape was just all I had. So yeah, this is how it looked. I think it turned out super cute. You guys can definitely do this anytime at home, and it's just a fun little activity to do by yourself. Now, even though I had a lot of fun tonight, I was exhausted after putting all this work into this video. So I'm taking these Relaxium sleep vitamins, and these are also from QVC. I think they're perfect because they have all of the separate vitamins I would take by themselves in one. So they have ashwagandha, magnesium, and melatonin. And recently, I've been trying to stay away from substances, so this is a way for me to calm down and relax before bed. Before bed, I'm just doing a quick little unwind, simple skincare, brushing my teeth, and putting my hair up. And that's it for today's video. I love doing stuff like this, and I'm so happy I did it because I feel so much more in touch with myself. And again, thank you QVC for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys check my description to shop their amazing products. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.